In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Meet mic not working. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your audio heard clearly and confidently. First, sign in with your Google account and join your meeting. It's important to do this while you troubleshoot so you can see the live microphone indicators in Meet. Once you're in, glance at the bottom toolbar and make sure the microphone icon isn't muted. If it shows a slash, click it to unmute. If your browser asks for microphone access on the join screen, click Allow. Staying in the meeting makes it easy to confirm each change you make. Next, close other apps that could be using your microphone. Only one app can reliably hold the mic at a time. Fully quit tools like Zoom, Teams, Slack calls, Discord, voice recorders, music production apps, or any browser tabs running calls or recordings. If you're using a Bluetooth headset, make sure it's connected to your computer and not to another device like your phone. On Windows, check the taskbar and system tray. On Mac, quit from the dock and ensure nothing is lingering in the menu bar. Now, check permissions and your default device selections. In your browser, click the lock icon next to the address bar on the meeting page and make sure the microphone permission is set to Allow. Then open your system settings to confirm the device can use the mic. On Windows, go to Privacy and Security, then Microphone, and ensure access is on for your browser. On macOS, open System Settings, Privacy and Security, Microphone, and allow access for your browser there as well. While you're at it, pick the correct input device. If you're using a USB microphone or a headset, make sure that specific device is selected instead of the built-in mic. Finally, test your mic inside Google Meet. Click the three dots for More Options, open Settings, then go to the Audio tab. Choose the correct microphone from the drop-down and speak at a normal volume. You should see the input level move as you talk. If you don't, switch to another available mic and try again. You can also verify your speaker selection and play a test sound so you hear others clearly. If the levels look good but people still can't hear you, toggle noise cancellation if available, and briefly mute and unmute your mic to refresh the session. That's all it takes. Join the meeting, close competing apps, allow permissions, and pick the right device, then test and confirm in Meet. With these checks, your mic should be back in action.